In this video, I will tell you how to transfer TRIAS from KuCoin to MetaMask. So first, what you need to do is log into your KuCoin account and make sure your TRIAS tokens are in your funding account, since withdrawals are processed from there. If your tokens are in the trading account, transfer them to the funding account first. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and copy your wallet address. Also, make sure MetaMask is set to the correct network that supports TRIAS, which is usually Binance Smart Chain BEP20. Now go back to KuCoin, open the withdrawal section, and select TRIAS as the token. Paste your MetaMask wallet address into the address field, then choose the correct network. This step is very important because selecting the wrong network can result in lost funds. After that, enter the amount of TRIAS you want to send. Once everything is entered, click Confirm. KuCoin will ask you to complete security verification using your trading password and two-factor authentication. After you submit the request, the withdrawal will be processed, and after a short time, your TRIAS tokens will appear in your MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain network. That's how you transfer TRIAS from KuCoin to MetaMask.